Is it almost like a tingling and a heatness at the same time?
So your legs are uneven and they just grew out?
Yeah, I mean, I was just sitting down and I normally have like a bit of back pains on my nerve on this side. Like sometimes sitting down or something. So he checked my foot and my right one was sticking out more. So I could slowly feel like something growing. And now they're completely straight.
And you have the same problem.
Yeah.
Yeah? You just got healed. Come here.
Yeah.
Eric, hold this, get down so you see both the heels. Alright, let me see. You can see the difference in the heels. Get up more. Let me see. Yeah, you can see good. Okay. Get up, down more. So you can perfect. Now lay your hand on this one. Now just laugh. And just say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Look at that. Do me a favor. Stand up. Now sit back down. Let me see your feet.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Completely fine.
They're completely fine. What do you think of that? Now check your back. You said you get back pain. Like walk, see if it feels any different.
Okay. I usually feel it this way, but like when I walk a lot or
You walk a lot?
when I'm standing a lot of time,
You feel it on one side?
I hear. Just
Yeah,
I hear
do you
it.
feel it now?
Right now I feel it.
Right now you don't feel it? Were you or were you just a little bit ago?
A little bit. Yeah.
A little bit? Yeah, and it's gone. Do you get the same problem?
But
Huh?
it was fixed in church.
It was fixed at church?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm okay.
You already got healed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What did you think about how easy that was?
I mean, it's amazing because even being a Christian, it's you just don't notice sometimes how easy it is to believe and actually have faith.
What do you think about how easy it was to see his leg grow up?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Yeah.